In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase disk space in HostPapa hosting in a quick and efficient manner. Whether you're running out of valuable space for your website or just need to streamline your storage, this process will walk you through how to effectively manage and expand your hosting capacity. To get started, the first step is to navigate to the HostPapa dashboard by opening your web browser and entering the URL www.hostpapa.com/dashboard. Once you're there, you'll need to log in with your email and password. This is your personal access point, so make sure your credentials are handy. Once successfully logged in, look under your hosting plan and click on My cPanel. Accessing cPanel is crucial as it offers a variety of management options for your hosting account. From cPanel, scroll down until you find the Files section. Here you will find an option labeled Disk Usage. Go ahead and click on it. This feature provides a detailed overview of how your disk space is being utilized. Take this time to review which folders or files are consuming the most space. Pay close attention to backups, emails, and logs, as these often take up significant storage without you realizing it. With that information in hand, your next destination is the File Manager. Within the File Manager, open the public HTML directory. This is where you can clear out unnecessary items to free up space. Consider deleting old backups, temporary files, or unused plugins and themes. This step is straightforward but can make a significant difference in your disk usage. Now, shift your focus to email management. Go to email accounts within your cPanel and check for any old emails that you may no longer need. Deleting these can also help regain some space. After cleaning up the files and emails, return to your HostPapa dashboard. Click on Services and select your current hosting plan. From here, if freeing up space was insufficient or you simply need more resources for future growth, consider upgrading your plan. You'll find an option to Upgrade Plan, or if you need assistance, HostPapa. Support is just a click away. When choosing an upgrade, you might want to consider a higher tier plan like Business or Business Pro, which provides more disk space and improved performance. Confirm your selection, complete the payment process, and wait for the upgrade to take effect. This process generally happens relatively quickly. Once the upgrade is complete, head back to cPanel and revisit the disk usage section. You should now see the increased storage capacity that comes with your new plan. It's always a good idea to verify that everything is as expected. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to manage and increase your disk space with HostPapa hosting. By following these steps, you can ensure your website runs smoothly and efficiently, ready to support your growing needs.